Today, we're going to be doing what we do best, and that's talk about the Schumann resonance. A full moon video is coming out tomorrow. I worked pretty hard on that. I made it 10 minutes even. And by all means, we broke it down for all the signs. We talked about the theme of it because it's huge for many of you. So by all means, November full moon energy is here, and that video is coming out tomorrow. The Schumann resonance has been nearly active for quite a while, if you ask me. A lot of energy and a lot of things going on. We got a whole lot to get into. I hope you guys are all doing good, by the way. Super duper appreciative for everyone who's been showing up. Appreciative, grateful, and thankful for everyone who's been showing up and supporting. I hope you guys are all doing good and having a great day. Let's get an audio check.
Yeah.
It's working. We got a lot to talk about. We hit almost a power 50 today. So insane energy, massive spike. You know, a lot of things are happening right now, and we got two massive coronal holes that are facing us. So, of course, you know, just a bunch of things going on right now, and we're wearing these glasses. They're really good. They help me out. Very good for computer and electronics. I feel like I've been getting better sleep. I think I've been getting better sleep with them, so helps me out at least. Feel free to chat about the Schumann resonance and other various things as well, because by all means, I appreciate it. And yeah, pretty friendly person, you know. So, how hard did we end up getting hit? And it looked like we got hit with nearly a power 50. And we're maintaining that for quite a while, which is insane. You know, we've been averaging around what, 23-ish to 50 hertz for many hours, which is insane. So things are definitely looking pretty intense if you ask me. How's everybody doing, by the way? Make sure you guys hit the like button. I truly appreciate that. And make sure you guys also hit the subscribe button because we truly appreciate that. So welcome everyone to the stream. We have a lot of things that we want to get into. So let's start talking about the Schumann resonance. All right, here we go. Massive energy. As you can see, I mean, we've been getting pounded with massive energy for quite a while now. This is a lot of energy and a lot of hours of high intense energy. As you can see, this is around a power 50, and we've been maintaining this for quite a while here. Now things have cooled down just a little bit. Let's scroll all the way down. Is there anything happening here? Probably not. No, not right now. We were hit with an M-class solar flare today. As you can see, it was a 1.08. That has been the strongest we've had. We also were hit with a C9 here. We're going to scroll all the way down and look at the Italian Schumann resonance. I have to say, it's looking incredibly dark here, which is unusual. Usually it's supposed to be lighter, but there has been energy that has come in. And of course, we have noticed some unusual activity, if you ask me. Let's go straight to source to see what happens. So now we're in the Italian. We're in the Comuna station right now, the Comuna. There was a red line that was going from top all the way to bottom, which is very unusual. So we've been noticing very weird things. Other than that, just very simple activity here. Again, looking really dark, but other than that, there is some energy coming in. Again, this huge spike, we were hit with this recently. Of course, we are already going into November 3rd. But for today, the 2nd, there was definitely a big hit that came in. Very unusual spike. And as you can see, unusual activity, you know. But overall, it is very active. Taking a look at the Russian Schumann resonance, you can actually see something here which is incredibly unusual as well. A red line from top to bottom. We're noticing significant weird, like a weird stuff. We got a bunch of weird stuff going on right now. A lot of weird stuff right now. A lot of unusual activity. And here we are. It's been quiet for the last 10 hours or so. Or refreshing the page. Just a big line that came in. Just integration energy. Going to space weather live right now. The direction of the interplanetary magnetic field is slightly south. Solar winds aren't high, but they are near a high level. We have a KP3 right now, and of course, on the magnetometers, we have dipped to a K6 twice. For solar flare activity, we're starting to ramp up again. We're starting to pump up, if that's the right way to say it. A pretty high C, down, up again, almost. I mean, that's got to be a 1, right? Like that looked like a 1. That definitely looked like an M-class solar flare, and again, almost another one. Just a bunch of activity and stuff. 72-hour max is an M1. Let's see if there's been any CMEs. Looks like we did have something. I'm trying to think. We've had nothing significant recently. When we look at coronal holes, this is huge now. This is a massive coronal hole, or at least potentially 2 of them. I think it's technically 2, but they kind of formed up to 1 because they're so close. So this is huge. And when we get a much closer look at image 195, let's take a look at this image right here. I want to welcome everyone to the live stream. Hope everybody's doing good. Make sure you guys hit the like button, and make sure you guys, if you guys haven't already, subscribe, because we're doing content like this every day. We make videos every day. This is a live stream right now. It's live. Say what's up. Here we go. This is what we got going on. This is deep, and this is huge, and it's definitely spreading and could get even larger. I would say by tomorrow, this is going to be facing us, and this could be a trans-equatorial coronal hole. This will definitely be amplifying everything, and this will be bringing a lot of solar winds. This will be definitely bombarding Earth. So this is definitely something, it's pretty crazy. We got sunspots. I believe in a few days or so, or just a couple of days, we're going to have some sunspots that face us. And that's definitely going to be bringing a lot of solar activity. Definitely interesting here. Massive release right there. Got a lot of sunspots, a lot of activity on the sun right now. Massive release right there, as you can see. Let's take a look at this one. Is there anything here? Those are different images. This image I was showing, this is a different kind of image. This one kind of highlights the coronal holes better, and also of course shows the active regions. This one shows like this is more of like the sun. This right here is a coronal hole, pretty massive. Every image does something different. When you click on this right here, you'll see green is a coronal hole, and yellow is the bright regions. Green is coronal hole, and when you got like, there's of course a coronal hole here as well, but we're not seeing that one right now. It's not facing us. Yellow are bright regions. Coming down to it, of course, over here. You can zoom in better. This is a coronal hole right here. Alright. Let's take it back right over here. It's good to have you here in the stream. How's your day going? Let's talk about 3i Atlas because there's been some weird, interesting news regarding 3i Atlas. How's everybody doing, by the way? You're doing good. That's great. Good to have you here in the stream. So, Ivy Loeb said that 3i Atlas is turning blue, or at least sort of emitting some sort of blue light. Massive evaporation could explain this blue light. And it is incredibly surprising to have this sort of blue color. And this could potentially be explained by a hot engine or a source of artificial light. So within this comet, I mean, many people are still speculating that this is a comet, or most likely something that is just different, you know? Something that is just unordinary. So this is very interesting here. It could also be a signature of ionized carbon monoxide for a natural comet. I don't know if it's, I wouldn't say the outer layer is expanding. It's more so of evaporation, because it does have a lot of nickel content. It also has a lot of water in there. You know, this could be not expanding, but more so of releasing, because it's gone through so much radiation because of how much traveling it's doing. Hotter? I'm not saying it's getting colder or hotter, I think. It's hard. I wouldn't say. I mean, if it passed the sun, it probably got really heated up. You know what I'm saying? Really activated. Right? But yeah, we can't really say much about that. I can't really say anything else. But then again, if it has some sort of hot engine or a source of artificial light, it could be really interesting though. Well, hopefully you have some fun at school. Thank you for showing up to the stream. Really appreciate it. Have a good one. Appreciate it. Thank you. Have a good night. All right. I think that might be about it. I think we definitely nailed the live stream. I think we did what we had to do. I think we put all the information out there. And I was going to do. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. And I'm going to see everybody next time. Make sure you guys